राजधानी मोडल कलेजमा वर्कसप अन स्टक इन्भेस्टमेन्ट तथा वर्कसप अन डिजिटल मार्केटिङ आयोजना गरिएको छ। कलेजमा अध्ययनरत विद्यार्थीहरूलाई अतिरिक्त ज्ञान दिने सिलसिलामा वर्कसप आयोजना गरिएको प्रिन्सिपल केपी पन्तले बताउनुभयो। विद्यार्थीहरूले आफ्नो व्यावसायिक जीवनमा यस्ता वर्कसपमा प्राप्त ज्ञान निकै महत्त्वपूर्ण हुने प्रिन्सिपल पन्त बताउनुहुन्छ।
The credits you earn, especially in the formal credentials, have a lot to do in life, but more than that, these non-credit courses will help you to make a living in the future. What I think is you are living in the era of digital native. Now you are the very fortunate generation that you are in the digital native era. Means you are exposed to so many gadgets, so much technology, and all the world's knowledge. It's in everything. Every resources are just at the tip of your finger. So the more you can utilize these, technologies, the better and the smarter manager, professional you can become tomorrow. In the very near future, everything will be digitalized, even in Nepal. Those who can't use technology properly, will be dying out. They will be extinct.
वर्कसपमा सहभागीहरूलाई प्रिन्सिपल पन्तसहित कलेजका डिरेक्टर सञ्जीव कुमार कार्कीले प्रमाणपत्र प्रदान गर्नुभएको थियो।